Hello everyone, this is my review of the top shelf Her Loss Pheromone Cologne for men. I've been using this cologne for a few weeks and overall I'm impressed. The scent is sophisticated and masculine without being overpowering. It has a subtle warm fragrance that seems to strike a good balance between freshness and depth. As for the pheromone aspect, it's hard to gauge its impact objectively, but I have noticed a positive shift in social interactions. Well, I guess because I just smell better, so people like it. People seem to be more engaged and open, and though it's difficult to attribute to solely the cologne, the bottle is stylish and the spray delivers a good fine mist that's convenient. The only downside is, well, there's no real downside. It's pretty good, and I hope this review helps.